So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit data format of a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is add a table to your presentation. So I'll just go ahead here and add a blank slide for this demonstration. I will then go ahead and add a table. How about this blue one right here? Just like this. So if you want to edit the data format, what this basically does mean is that, for example, if I were to go and press on the table right here, open up this right hand side of the screen, if I were to go to cell, right, it says data format right here, it says automatic. But if you want this to be in, let's just say, for example, currency. So let's just say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's say, for example, I want 100%, I want 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. Just a bunch of random numbers. Now, if you want to edit the data format, so go to the press on the table, go to the right, press on cell right here, and then where it says data format, press on automatic. Now you can choose number, currency, percentage, whatever you want. So if you want to go currency, for example, there you go. If you want to go percentage, there you go. If you want to go fraction, whatever you guys want, completely up to you. If you want to go ahead and do the date and time, whatever the case may be, that is completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the data format of a table here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.